Lamborghini introduces the Countach LPI800, a futuristic, small, produced in 112 units. Thanks to the naturally aspirated V12 engine combined with the hybrid Lamborghini supercapacitor technology, the Countach LPI800 retains the unique V12 feel and sound with longitudinally posterior, assembled LP power unit combined with hybrid technology, developed for Sean. Delivering 814 horsepower as maximum total power. Rounded to 800 in the name, from a naturally aspirated power unit, 780 horsepower, and an electric motor, 34 horsepower, to a permanent four-wheel drive transmission. The LPI800 achieves the peak performance of a Lamborghini zero acceleration to 100 km per hour in just 2.8 seconds, 0 to 200 km per hour in 8.6 seconds and a top speed of 355 km per hour. The Lamborghini Countach LPI800 is presented in a dedicated Bianco Citadel color, including pearl blue and a Ferruccio Lamborghini Countach LP400S, complete with red, black leather interior. The interior also refers to the design of the original Countach in the context of a modern car. Sumptuous and luxurious leather has geometric stitching on the specially designed comfort seats and dashboard, with a square motif in reference to the bold style and optimism of design and technology of the 70s. Lamborghini Countach LPI800-4 20, front, and 21 inches, rear, rims are created in the telephone style of the 1980s, equipped with carbon ceramic brake discs and Pirelli P0 Casa tires. Owners of the exclusive limited edition Countach LPI800 can choose from a variety of traditional body paint options, mainly in solid colors, such as the iconic Impact White, Giallo Countach and Verde Medio. In addition, the contemporary palette offers modern images, mainly in metallic colors such as Viola Pacific or Blue Uranus. The central 8.4-inch HDMI touchscreen, unique to the LPI800, manages the car's controls, including connectivity and Apple CarPlay. It also includes a unique button titled "Style Pressed," explains the Countach design philosophy to a privileged audience. Produced in a series of 112 units, the number represents the internal design name, LP112, used on the original Lamborghini Countach development. The Countach LPI800 will be shipped to owners worldwide from Q1 2022.